girls, women, please stop being so soft towards everybody. Be soft, be gentle, but do not overdo it.
Live your
You
life.
have, you have a life. Stop pleasing everybody. You don't have to, because others think that they are the main character of their life or others' life as well. But you need to remember, you only got one life. You are not getting it back again. Not even a single day, single minute, single second back. What you have lost. So now you decide what you have to do for the rest of your life. Do you want to be pleasing everybody, trying to hold everybody in your life, even if they want to get out of you or your life? It's up to you. Stand for yourself. Take decisions for yourself. I have learned it the hard way. I'm telling you the easy way. So
Yeah.
learn easy way, do not go the hard way. It's going to be very hard. So I think that's why women have to be very, very, very open about everything also. Because we are taught that, okay, if certain things are happening, it's okay even if you don't speak. No, it's not okay. You have to speak about what you are feeling wrong to your parents, to your children, to your brothers, siblings, everybody. Then and there. Because if you keep it inside, it will pile up and one day you'll burst.
Yes.
But I'm telling you, the day you burst,
It'll
nobody
be
is
horrible.
going to take it. See, when I'm bursting, for suppose, okay, I'm crying, I'm ranting, I'm letting all my emotions out. But the other person is not understanding. It's like out of nowhere, why are you doing this? So that's in real life, but also in art, in any field. If you don't want to get bullied, if you don't want to get, undervalued or taken for granted, you should speak up for yourself. As small as I don't like eating grass. Okay. Because if you do not say no, the other person will feed you thinking that you like it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what happens in so many relationships, even between siblings, even between your partner, your spouse, your parents or grandparents, everybody. And when you take stand for yourself, confidence will automatically come to you.